Hello everyone, Seth Wilkinson with the SealRyt Corporation, manufacturers of the PackRyt bearing and high performance mechanical packing. Here today for the pump seal channel to talk to you about one of the configurations of our PackRyt bearing. So as everybody knows, we have our BLR, which is our bearing with a machined in lantern ring, as well as the BRG, which is a just straight bearing, no lantern ring. Some people may know about our ORM, our O-ring mount that is meant for mechanical seals. Well, we also have a different one called the diverter. This is the diverter. Now, from the outside, it looks like any normal PackRyt bearing would. However, when you split it and you look on the inside, you'll see that that lantern ring has moved from the top of the bearing to the bottom of the bearing. Why would we do this? Well, several reasons. In the manufacturer's infinite wisdom of equipment, some of them put that flush port all the way at the top. Usually you find these a lot in pulpers. So they'll run that flush all the way at the bottom of the box, or in vertical applications at the top of the box. So why is this an issue for PackRyts? Well, quite simply, we want to get as much bearing material along that shaft in order to steady it. We utilize the water, your flush water, as a part of the seal, and it is also used to lubricate and cool this bearing. So we couldn't necessarily have the flush port this high and then potentially leave all of this dry, or allow gravity to push the water down, which is something that we don't want because that creates leaks. So we had to develop a way to actually reroute that water and give us the most bearing that we could for shaft stabilization. So this is why we have the diverter. I can't tell you how we did it. I can just tell you that we did it. And we have installed it in many different applications, and those who know swear by it, and so do we. If you have any questions about some of the other configurations that we have, or about the diverter itself, please contact us here at SealRyt. Thank you.